Independence Day. So I'm having my breakfast right now. Hi guys, so as I said, it's Independence Day today. So I don't have big plans. I'm just gonna go about my day and then rest for the rest of it. So first I'm gonna go to Landers to buy some stuff and then maybe read at a cafe. So let's go. Hi guys, so it's the Independence Day 2025. Today, I have no plans with my friends whatsoever. I actually plan to stay at home all day, but I don't know, I just thought that I could use some different environment for the morning. So I'm going to Landers. It's 50% off there now to get chicken. For chicken, and then I'm gonna make some spaghetti for the whole day. That's the menu for today. And then I'm just gonna lunch around, right, and then go home after and do the house things. It's kind of windy today. I hope it doesn't rain too much. I mean, I could take this gloomy, drizzling day. Hi guys, so I've arrived in Landers. So I went to the washroom first, and then I think I'm gonna head straight to the grocery part to check the chickens. Wow, chickens. And then cafe to sit and like write things, journal and such as that. So let's go. Oh, these are cute. Like bejeweled. The black are cute, but I don't need it. So I need to buy a shower gel or body wash. I don't have any anymore. Hi guys, so I'm done with going to Landers. So I'm gonna go to my new favorite cafe in Triumph. So there's the Landers. I didn't film much. I just got the chicken and the body wash. So the duality. I'm gonna film my outfit video. Hi, so good morning guys. So from Landers I transferred there to here. This is the Dash Espresso Cafe in Triumph. So I decided to have my drinks here and then just write down some things. So this is the yapping time. I actually filmed a lot of things about my summer 2025, but the videos got so many that I was overwhelmed and that I tried to edit it for like 3 to 4 times, but I can't get past through it. So I decided to like scrape off the whole summer 2025 and just create a new one because I had a lot of holidays. Like last week, it is Idil Adha for the Muslim people, and then right now it's Independence Day. So I was like, I'm just gonna film the simple things, and then I wanted to focus more on filming my daily life, my simple life. You know, I have a lot of work events and then events with friends, but I wanted to focus more on being with myself, something like that, or doing mundane things. So that's it. So today, I just bought chicken and then the body wash and oil from Landers. After this, I'm gonna go home and cook some spaghetti and fried chicken. So chicken spaghetti it is today. So I'm just gonna show it. We're going to Dali to buy breading and then baking powder. Okay, I need small. I got the goods. I got evap, breading, and corned beef. Let's go home. So we're home. Let's start cooking. This is the fried chicken setup. So this already has been washed. I want quick cooking. Like, I'm a fast mover when I do something. Yeah, okay? Hi, so I have filmed what I bought at Landers, but it's not recording. So this is the body wash I got there. Less than 200. It smells amazing. It smells like mango, and then it smells like a classy bathroom, something like that. And then body oil. What else? I'm using Bath and Body Works Sapphire Moon. Now, I didn't buy this. This is pricey for me. I got this from my niece. They're not using it. I think it's from their uncle. Yeah. I burnt myself. Ah, smells amazing. I will apply all my creams because I can, and it's cold today. And I'm not gonna do skincare later tonight because I'm lazy. So we'll do all of this right now. Oops. I believe that this makes me break out and something like that, but it's not every day that I use it, so let's just use it. I don't know what I am doing, okay? So I ate before doing my skincare, and then started to set up my projector and then watch Twilight. The OG, the GOAT. So this is the first movie for today. Then I watched my fixation of the year. This is The Princess Bride. I love it so much. And then Hannah Montana. Yeah, so I watched a lot of movies. So after watching movies, I listened to chill songs all throughout the night while waiting for my husband. And this is how I spent my Independence Day 2025. Just chill and just all by myself. Hi guys, so we are at Pasay City at the Parcal Mall. This is the Parcal Mall, so it's far from us. I woke up at 9 today and then I had my breakfast, I washed the dishes, cooked rice, and then I prepared while watching the First Night with the Duke. I didn't film anything because I feel sleepy and I was kind of rushing because, you know, time flies so quickly. So I'm gonna meet Noemi and we will have our lunch and day here because we will be spending a lot of time together. So let's go. I'll give you a fit check later. It's so peaceful out here and it's not crowded. I mean, that's a first. So I'm gonna walk to Red House Taiwan. That's the name of the resto, I think. Guys, it's so pretty around here and it's not crowded for some reason. It's Saturday, it's already 1 p.m. It's not crowded. Oh my gosh, I was like, this mall is kind of far from my place, but it's so serene. I'm here at the Red House Shabu Shabu. Hi guys, so we're done having our brunch. It was worth it. It's delicious. The aircon is nice. The place is so nice. This is the OMG, what's the name of this? I'll update you later. But this is in Parcal Mall. It's so serene, uncrowded, not crowded, I mean. And the aircon is nice. It's working. I didn't sweat. It's a hot pot, okay? And it was a nice brunch. Now we will go to a cafe and then stroll around because ladies loves to do this, okay? Ay, ang init! Ay, kailangan ba yun? Okay naman, mabait naman tayo eh.
I look like bakasyonista.
Okay, we need to stroll the shop and all that. So, hindi, tinry mo ba yung perfume? Ano bang bet mo? I'm just going to the washroom. Naomi and I are having fun, just chatting at the cafe. Okay, where is the CR?
Sa kanyang panaginip na kung sino raw ang makahuli at makapag-uwi nito sa hari, ay siya ang magmamana ng setro at korona. At yan ay walang iba kundi ako! Ako ang magtutungo sa nasabing bundok ng Tabor. Ako!
Hi guys, so we left the puppet show and then we will go to LRT. And we'll go somewhere near her. So this is the outside view of the Parkal Mall. It's real pretty.
Ayun yung pagkamuksaan, English parent station.
We transferred mall. We are in SM Sukat. So I had so much fun today. Parkal Mall is one of the best mall that I've ever been. So after the things that we did, we head home to Noemi's boarding place to get something that she wanted to give me. And then I booked my taxi, motorcycle taxi, and then went home. My husband is waiting for me. I hope you had fun with this vlog, guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye!